peanut butter, chocolate chip cookies with a dash of cinnamon. Let's make them. This is Cooking at Home with Luca. Start by adding 3/4 cups of granulated sugar and 3/4 cups of brown sugar into your stand mixer bowl. Add it followed by 1 cup of unsalted butter and mix. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, a nice, fantastic, healthy dash of cinnamon, followed by 1 egg, and mix. Continue by adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of chunky peanut butter and mix that wonderful, gooey goodness fantastic. Continue by adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour to formulate your cookie dough, followed by 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of corn starch, a pinch of salt, and mix. Add a healthy amount of chocolate chips and continue mixing to form that wonderful cookie dough. Fantastic, delicious, yum, yum, yum. Scoop out your cookie dough, form into balls, and place on parchment paper. Flatten out with a fork or your hand. Whatever you desire will work. Then bake at 350 for 10 minutes. And voila, there are your cinnamon peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. Fantastic.